Bakehouse is operating at steady mid-month scale, but revenue and leadership are tightly concentrated in a few markets and products. Here is what the data shows. First, May 1st through 17th, Bakehouse generated about $66,000 from roughly 3,300 transactions, with average order value near $20 and 4 items per basket, setting an operating cadence. Second, nearly 76% of revenue came from just 3 countries: Japan, the United States, and Australia, around $50,000, concentrating exposure and making local shocks in those markets more consequential during this period. Third, the top 5 products generated nearly 84% of sales, while Orchard Oasis, just outside the top set, delivered about $10,700, far outpacing the long tail during the 17-day window. Based on this, 2 practical actions are supported. Commercial and analytics teams should monitor Japan and United States leadership gaps daily and trigger a localized retention review whenever gaps shrink to single digits or remain narrow for several consecutive days. Supply and merchandising should secure safety stock and prioritized placement for the top 5 products and Orchard Oasis, with a simple alert if on-hand inventory or fill rates for any of them begin to slip. Before acting, we still need to answer the following questions. Do these concentration, patterns, and leadership gaps persist when we test the same metrics over prior months and a full quarter? Is the AOV gap by segment, with Asian females near $21 versus North American females around $18, statistically reliable? And what basket elements differ materially by cohort? What supply constraints or seasonality could affect the top 5 products and Orchard Oasis? And would any single supplier disruption meaningfully impact fulfillment rates? Across card types, does the higher Amex ticket hold as volume scale? And what guardrails should we set to avoid over-indexing on any single payment rail?